Thanks for calling Professional Foundation Repair. This is Fallon. Who am I speaking with today?
Hi, Fallon. This is Ken.
Hi, Ken. Thanks for reaching out. I understand you're having some foundation issues. Can you tell me what's happening at your property?
Yeah, there's a crack on my floor that goes from the front door to the side window, and now one of the windows is stuck. In fact, where the crack is, the window won't open.
I totally understand your concern, Ken. Just to help us better understand your situation, is this a raised foundation or a slab foundation?
Oh, I don't know. What's the difference?
No problem, Ken. A raised foundation usually has a crawl space underneath, while a slab foundation is a solid concrete pad that sits directly on the ground. Do you happen to know if there's a crawl space under your house?
No, there's definitely not a crawl space, so it must be a slab.
Thanks for clarifying that, Ken. We can definitely help with this. Let's get one of our certified inspectors out to assess the foundation. While I'm checking our schedule, could you tell me when you first noticed the crack on your floor?
About a week ago when we started lifting up the carpeting, we're doing a renovation project.
Got it, Ken. Thanks for sharing that. I understand your situation. Looking at our schedule, would 10 a.m. on Friday work for you?
Oh, I'm not going to be back at the house until after 2. Do you have any other available times?
No problem, Ken. Let me take a quick look. How about 2 p.m. on Friday? Would that work for you?
Yeah, 2 p.m. would be great.
Perfect, Ken. I've got you scheduled for Friday at 2 p.m. Now let's get a few details to finalize everything. Could you spell out your first and last name for me?
I can, but you know what, Fallon? I just realized I have an appointment Friday. Do you have any openings next Monday early in the morning?
No worries, Ken. Let me check that for you. How does 8 a.m. on Monday sound?
Perfect.
Great, Ken. Let's finalize your details for Monday at 8 a.m. Could you spell out your first and last name for me?
Sure. It's Ken Moskowitz. That's K-E-N. Last name M-O-S-K-O-W-I-T-Z.
Thank you, Ken. Let me read that back to you just to make sure. K-E-N-M-O-S-K-O-W-I-T-Z. Did I get that right?
You did.
Perfect. What's the property address where you'd like us to conduct the inspection?
1218 East Mark Way, Queen Creek, Arizona, 8514.
I'm so sorry, Ken. While I'd love to help, we only service Los Angeles and Orange counties in California. Unfortunately, your address falls outside our service area. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Fallon, I'm sorry. I have 2 homes. I meant to give you my Los Angeles home. I gave you my one in Arizona.
No problem at all, Ken. Let's get the correct address for your Los Angeles home. What's the property address there?
1234 Disneyland Way, Anaheim, California, 90015.
Thank you, Ken. So that's 1234 Disneyland Way, Anaheim, California, 90015. Have I got that right?
Yes, you did.
Great, Ken. Now, could you spell out your email address for me? This
Sure.
is just to send your...
Okay, it's ken@adzombies.com. That's K-E-N at ADZOMBIES.com.
Thank you, Ken. Let me read that back to you just to make sure. KEN@ADZOMBIES.com. Did I get that right?
You did.
Perfect. What's the best number to reach you at?
480-867-5309.
Thanks, Ken. So that's 480-867-5309. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Great. Almost done, Ken. Is the property in escrow or listed for sale?
No, why do you ask?
We just like to know for our records. Last question. How did you hear about us? Was it Google, Yelp, or perhaps one of our trucks?
I saw your trucks. Great branding, by the way. And then I went online and read your Google reviews.
That's wonderful to hear, Ken. Thank you for sharing that. I'm finalizing those details for you now. Just a moment. Excellent. I've got you scheduled for Monday at 8 a.m. You'll receive both an email confirmation and a text reminder. If there are any issues with your appointment, our head of scheduling will reach out to you. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, I think that's it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Ken. Have a great day.